8/1/21, it is PM futures NASDAQ 100. So right now the date is, like I said, 8/1, and the time is 7:30 in New York. That's what time it is. And the futures have been open. They're positive 46 and a quarter right now. We can see the trend lines coming off this way to that resistance line. We can see where they've been traveling up, straight up in that channel, and then again off of the bottom right to there. And there is a 4-hourly bar. That is exactly what this is. It's a 4-hourly NASDAQ 100 futures, okay, chart, 4-hourly chart. So each candle is 4 hours, my friends. So we do have resistances, and this horizontal trend line, as we see it right there, that is a resistance. If we break above it, well, then we would have resistance right there at 1530, and then so forth. And we would have resistance at 1554. And this would be the top right here, where we had that big reversal down. One of the things that we looked at is we go back to the dates on 7/27, and straight down you went. Then they rocked them back up, and these futures, so when the futures went all the way back up, then stocks went up with it. But then look at the big dive right here. When the futures went straight down, that's what happened on Friday. And now we're back, like I said, at that neckline, and then we have a neckline right here. Once again, it's our privilege to bring it live to you so you can know how the U.S. markets will open up tomorrow. It will be the first trading day of August. The NASDAQ 100, which represents this NASDAQ 100 futures chart, then you have the NASDAQ composite. They have been the 6 major stocks that have really been running this market, and Amazon had a really horrible Friday. It closed out finally negative 266 points, or 7.41%. Now, that was a cliffhanger, so when we go back in time, we can see that one, and then we see the amount of red. So we went down real hard, you go down real hard. But your upward channel right now is not like it's really robust as it was on the way down. Okay, so you have much more bigger red downside bars. The bigger the bars, that takes up quite a few of these 4-hourly bars like this. Just this one big red bar right there. That almost takes up all 4 of these hourly bars right there. And then you have more negative, and this was very negative. This was so negative that these little up bars on the buy side volume just was not there. Okay, because what you're looking for is equivalent upside green bars as the down bars. So even so, you would have higher, stronger 4-hour bars to the upside than you would to the downside. So weighted trends are what they are. Support, resistance, price channels, breakdowns on the chart, all of these things that an individual can learn so that you're going to understand what the market's going to do tomorrow. So right now they're going to try to, if the futures continue on this path right here, or do they come down, we'll find out. They'll be trading all night long, and in the morning a.m. time they trade 23 hours a day. So we'll see if we break above to the next trend line to hit another resistance, which would be where the downtrend started at 15,034.50, highlighted in yellow there. So once again, it's our privilege to introduce to you these futures and how stocks will trade tomorrow. If the futures are up, how will stocks trade in the pre-market session before the opening bell? We know exactly how they will trade because we are futures traders and we trade futures to hit positions. We buy them when they want to go up, and then we make money when they want to go down. And the futures tell us how the stock prices are going to trend tomorrow. When they're up, then they're stronger. When they're down, then they're weaker. Once again, turbooptiontrading.com, home to who? To you. What we have, our new website. It's very simple. It's very laid out. You could spend hours, weeks, months. It goes on and on and on. And you can keep loading more. There'll be about 9,000 of them. And it's simple to use. You'll have some very nice, simple, direct menu items. Nothing complicated or overbearing. I know what those kind of websites are, but no. Simple, easy, trading ideas, educational services, everything that you want is here. And you can learn, and you can sign up. We do have 2 hourly events on certain technical subjects, okay, because that's who we are, technical analyst, right? So let's just watch the trend channels and the futures and what will direct us as the night progressively moves on and the morning hours. And so far, worldwide indexes, their futures are not caving in, they're up. And what would the relationship with our futures market be related to their markets that are trading in their countries right now? With our stock markets closed, our futures market can go down when their markets are really down, and so forth and so on. There are many different events that can cause movements in the future markets worldwide. Many events are being released, and so one never knows when you go to sleep, are they going to be down 200 or 100? Right now they're up 42, they were up 54, so they're already pulling back. Once again, welcome to the NQ Futures. That is the big traders, the ones that make you the money.